All right, guys, we got the Brute here, Kawasaki. So problem we're having, I had a belt, broke off, put the cover back in, put a new belt, put the cover in, resetted the CVT light by bypassing that red light that's over there and disconnecting stuff here, which is like this wire. I tried that. I noticed your belt breaks off. There's a thing right here. The switch. It's supposed to be on this way. It's supposed to have a sign right there, on, off. So it has to be on position before you put the cover in. And make sure you clean this up. Make sure it's clean, good contact with this, as mine was very dirty. But overall, I did that and it fixed the limp mode issue because it was not going fast. It was not going into neutral. When it's running, when it's not running, it goes to neutral just fine. So that was my problem. All right, guys, take care.